Okay, we're currently in Koh Kood, Thailand. Been looking at waterfalls in Khlong for the last week and they're all dried up. Finally found a good one. Check it. Water looks nice and deep too. Definitely going for a swim here. I reckon the plan is climb around these rocks, get up as high as we can, try not to break anything. Pretty much got the place to ourselves as well. Not a bad little spot. Alright, now we do have the entire place to ourselves. I'm liking this place. Okay guys, number one travel tip for visiting waterfalls, always go in mosquito hour, because you got the whole place to yourself.